Okay, so here we are at the city.
Yep.
Um,
I'll get blank here.
I'll get
blank
here. I'm 93 feet out, and that's 93 feet from this backflow valve that I went through. I wasn't able to get the cleanout cap off the stack, so I'll pull back. Just making the video.
Good.
So it's 6-inch clay tile out to the city. It's about 50 feet of clay tile. Since I went through the backflow valve, I wasn't able to have a skid on it, so it's a little low in the pipe. You can see all of it.
Have you looked in the garage?
I only from the outside.
Yeah. Okay, it's up to you right now. That's all.
Small amount of roots there on the top corner.
You can go whenever you want. That's fine. If you want to wait till I'm done out there and come in and go over it all, that's fine. But I can do that later. Just let you know if I see if there's a problem out there. So
it's a pretty big. There's a big crack that runs through the middle of the garage. And I just want to go check it out. And the wood right on the floor. All right.
Small amount of roots on the side. It's a little low through this section right here. It's about 4 feet. I don't have the skid on it, so it looks worse than it is, but it doesn't look bad at all.
Yeah. But, I mean, if it gets busy, they have to.
Looks like there's a little lip on that one clay tile. I think that's a manufacturer's defect. Doesn't look cracked at all around it.
You only have to admit patients on the night rather than going to the hospital and seeing people every week. So asthma, yeah, so if there's a few problems when they go on a big list, that gets divided in the day. In the daytime. You have a one dedicated doctor? The next day? Yep. Yep. It stays on for a week. Okay. I do that too. I do days and half my schedule is just daytime on. 6:30 in the morning till 3. And then half my shift doing it. So if someone has an appendix diagnosed as a surgery or not? Yeah, so surgery is a consultant. And they come in and you basically manage. Patients are nice because they usually don't have any medical issues. Yeah. Surgery team picks up patients.
A little bit of roots there at that joint. Top corner.
So they came in for appendicitis, they got their appendix taken out. The day team picked up. I don't have, there's no continuity for my making show to the next day. So it's just, that's the nice part, you can take care of it. Just come into the next game, and as long as you fix the major things, then you should be cutting up the edges.
So at 37 feet, that's where the 4x6 is. Now we're into 4-inch cast iron at 37 feet, 10 inches. And from here back, the cast iron looks really good. Not too much scale, no cracking. There you can see there's a clean out. There's a clean out right at 32 feet 4 inches. Something like that. So that would be outside the house. So here's where the backflow valve line joins up with the inner main at 14 feet. So that means the total length of the sewer is 80 feet, approximately. So there's 24 feet of cast iron and 66 feet, 50 feet of clay. And that's it.